Alrighty, welcome back to another first impression and unboxing video. This time it's the Rasasi Egra. It's an eau de parfum, and it's supposed to be some kind of green Irish tweed twist or a clone. Supposed to be real good smelling. So I got the 100 ml, and then yeah, it's just like all of my other videos. I usually do the raw unboxing. So let the struggle begin. Let's get this one off first so that we avoid getting the shiny. There you go, that is out of the way. So this is the box, 100 ml, and then some kind of Arabic leathers, and then on the back Egra eau de parfum, and then some info. Is this some kind of a, oh, it's for men. Okay, great. So some kind of info here, and then batch code. So let's open. Of course, that had to happen. There we go. Is there some kind of, no, not really. So let's get the bottle out. There you go. That is out of the way. So this is the bottle, and then on top some kind of Arabic letters again, and then some info on the bottom, and then yeah, it opens like a lighter. So let's smell. Let's see. It's like a very cheap, it's very light and cheap. It actually closes when you, but it's the juice that we are here for. So, oh yes, this is my kind of scents, like my kind of perfumes. Very fresh and like green, soapy green. Oh, very nice. Yeah, I like this one a lot. So this one I will be wearing today. So it's on the, it's not like Dylan Blue and Sauvage fresh. It's more like on the, if you have smelled the Lacoste Blanc L1212 or the Mont Blanc Legend, it's more towards that one when it comes to the freshness and smell. So yeah, so far it's not something, if green Irish tweed smells like this, I wouldn't be paying like $700 for that one. But this one, I think it cost me like 20 bucks or something. So for that price, I'll be wearing this one to the gym as well. It's very very fresh and kind of soapy, fresh, a little bit greeny. Like I said, it's more towards the Lacoste Blanc L1212 or is it Mont Blanc Legend Spirit, something like that. Yes, the Legend Spirit at least. So if you like that kind of fragrances, then this one is for you. And for the price, it's very good. So, but I will be doing a couple of wear it for 1 week, and I'll get back to you with the final review. So is it blind worthy? I don't know. It's fresh. If you like those fragrances that I mentioned, then yes, for 20 bucks, I'll rather buy this one than pay $50-$60 for the other fragrances. So Maybe not Legend Spirit. That one is cheap and it smells very good and it lasts. So, but yeah, but I'll give this one a couple of years and then I'll get back to you guys and girls when I've done so. So until next time, take care. Bye.